All right, I'm back. Here we go. I got a couple problems here. They look very, very similar, but they are done way differently. And they say two different things here. So we have to pay attention. We have to see what they're talking about here. This first equation tells us that x is going to be divided by 2. And whatever that is, we're going to add 5 to it to get 8. Right? So mentally, let's think about that. X divided by 2 plus 5 is equal to 8. Well, what do we add to 5 to get to 8? We would add 3. So that means this thing would be 3. Whatever, so what would we divide a number by, or what would we divide by 2 to get 3? Right? That's what you have to be thinking. That's the whole time, be thinking this. So in this instance, in this problem, we would simply just go ahead and subtract the 5 from both sides, because remember we said that this thing has to be 3. So, well, looky there, it's 3. X divided by 2 is equal to 3. So we know that this thing was 3, but we don't know what x is until we multiply by 2. When we multiply by 2, then the x falls down, and now we see that x is 6. Think about that. If 6 divided by 2 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8. Woo woo, we did it. All right. Now, how is this one different? This one is different from this one because this whole thing, x plus 5, is being divided by 2. We call this an expression. So we cannot break up the expression. We can't do that because this whole thing is being divided by 2. So let's think about that. What would we divide by 2 to get 8? We would divide 16 by 2 to get 8. So that means that this thing up here has to be 16. So we know that x plus 5 has to be 16. Well, how do we get that? Well, we undo this division first. We undo the division by multiplying by 2. These 2's cancel out. Then the x plus 5 falls down. And then 8 times 2 is 16. Hey, we knew that. Mentally, we knew that. 16, this thing is 16 divided by 2 is 8. So now we subtract 5 from both sides, and we get x equals 11. All right? Two different things here, done two different ways. Make sure you study that. All right.